Hello, today we're going to take a look at how Gemalto's .NET BioAuthor is integrated into Microsoft's Windows 7 in order to offer the highest level of user security for authentication, data encryption and digital signature. Let's start off, however, by reviewing together the basics of biometric authentication. As you know, smart tokens such as those from Gemalto generally make use of two factors of authentication: something I know, a PIN or passcode, and something I have, which is a card or token. Biometrics adds a third factor of authentication, something I am, and this is generally a fingerprint, or more precisely, a summary of a fingerprint called a template or minutiae. The user stores one or several of their fingerprints in a secure device such as a smart card, and when they need to authenticate, they simply swipe their finger or place it on a reader. The biometric can replace the PIN, in which case we talk about convenient two-factor authentication, or be in addition to the PIN, in which case we talk about three-factor authentication. Now, Gemalto and its partner Precise Biometrics offer a very important feature called Match on Card. As you can see from the schema, when an application is configured to request a biometric, the user is requested to swipe their finger, and once they have done so, the biometric or fingerprint template is sent to the card, which then tries to match it to one of the templates that it has in its memory. If the match is successful, then the card will allow access to the user's private key, exactly as is the case when a smart card PIN is successfully entered. In passing, let's note that the .NET BIOS supports a wide range of fingerprint readers, including all of those from our partner Precise Biometrics. So let's now move to the demonstration part of our video, and the first view we're going to see is that of the administration software supplied with .NET BIO. So to use this software, the user needs to authenticate themselves using a challenge response method. Here we see them providing a correct response, and therefore being able to access the Manage Fingerprints module. So they select which finger they want to store on the smart card, and in fact they need to swipe the finger twice on the reader in order to ensure a good quality of fingerprint and hence template which is stored on the smart card. So here the template is being generated, and the fingerprint template is then successfully stored on the card. Second possibility is to change user verification method: PIN only, fingerprint or PIN, or fingerprint and PIN, which is three-factor authentication. Now we're looking at a user authenticating themselves with a biometric to their desktop. So they scan their finger, and this is what you see if the wrong fingerprint is supplied. So 9 tries left. Now we're seeing the result of a successful authentication, and the user is able to access their desktop in the usual way. Now it's important to note that .NET BIO can be used with a whole suite of Microsoft applications. For example, all of those which are included with Microsoft Office. For example, with Outlook, Microsoft Outlook, you can encrypt or sign an email using a biometric stored in the smart card. So let's conclude by having a look at the advantages of .NET BIO in Windows 7. First of all, for the IT department, there's enhanced security because a biometric cannot be lost, stolen or forgotten, and the template never leaves the card. Improved productivity because calls to the help desk will fall and user productivity will rise if users no longer have to call the help desk because they've forgotten their password. Ease of deployment because the .NET BIO is compatible with most readers on the market, and there's full support for a whole host of Microsoft applications such as Office, Outlook, Direct Access and BitLocker. Now for the end user, there's excellent portability because biometrics and certificates stored on the card means that users can roam freely and connect from wherever they want on the network. There's enhanced privacy because the .NET BIO is like having your own personal database. For digital signatures, biometrics provide the conditions for indisputable non-repudiation, and user convenience is enhanced because there's no need to remember pins or passcodes. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. On the screen you have the address to get more information about the .NET Bio, and to contact us, please contact us at gemaltopartners@gemalto.com. Bye bye.